guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a 9-month update on my K's Fab hair Brazilian straight that I got back in December. I had this wig on, basically I had this hair on a frontal wig, but since then I have taken the frontal off of the cap and I have replaced it with a 5x5 lace closure from K's Fab hair. And that was just because the frontal that I had initially, it was starting to bald on my right hand side and it was noticeable. So I talked to the owners and they sent me out a replacement 5x5 lace closure, but this was like back in February, so I'm finally getting this video out. It is freaking September, almost October, so it's been a long time coming, but this is very much awaited since it is a 9-month update instead of like a 2-week update. But the reason why it took me so long is because when I was getting the closure sent back to me, I was already in the process of making wigs for other people. I already had other hair reviews lined up, and then just life. Like I can't even begin to explain life and why it makes stuff, or why it prolongs stuff. But I'm happy I got around to it. And another reason why it was so long was because I made my first sewing machine made unit out of this hair. I took the old unit down and I basically reconstructed it on my sewing machine. So that was a really long project because learning how to sew on a sewing machine is definitely a process, and I'm impatient and I always feel like I fail if I don't, you know, surpass my expectations the first time around. So for this to be my legitimate first ever closure unit on the sewing machine, it came out really nice. And for this hair to be 9 months old, I just washed it finally. Like, I had been wearing this wig, but the hair hadn't been washed since the last time I wore it, which is like back in January. But I finally just washed it, and look at this. I dyed it jet black back in December, but look at this. Okay, so over the 9 months of me having this hair, I've only worn it maybe 2 months straight back when I first got it, and then I've been wearing it for like the past 3 weeks now in September. So I've been just getting the gist of how it's been holding up, and the hair has been amazing, honestly. I don't really experience any type of crazy shedding, and mind you, I have cut the tracks when I made this wig, so that's a big deal, you know, not having to worry about hair every time you run your fingers through your hair, so that's a good thing. I don't deal with any matting in the nape of my neck because it is 24 inches, but I do get occasional snags, and I don't know what the snags are from, but or maybe it was just because my hair was like really dirty the past few days, so that's probably why, because I'm not really getting that now. But definitely make sure you wash this hair. I say at least twice a month, you know, just to make sure that the product isn't building up and it's not like just a whole bunch of outside stuff stuck in your hair and weighing it down. So yeah guys, honestly, like, I really like this hair. This is like my go-to unit that I've been wearing to school because I just plop it on and just go about my day. It's really low maintenance, 5x5 lace closure. I really don't have to do anything to this hair. Like, look at the movement. But overall, I really do recommend this hair for you guys if you are interested in looking for a black owned business, you know, for hair extensions. But aside from that, if you're looking for quality as well, this is a 9-month update. Okay, this is hair that was on the wig that I'm still wearing, that's still going strong, and I guarantee you this hair is still going to last me a few more years because I'm not constantly wearing and tearing on the extensions because it's on a wig instead of my actual head. So yeah guys, I really do love this hair and I recommend it. I give it a thumbs up. I will leave the links for this hair in the description box below for you guys to check out. If you guys have any other questions that I didn't answer in this video, make sure you leave them in the comments below. I will check them and I'll get around to them. Make sure you subscribe, you hit the bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.